Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dumebi for those of you who already know, because you know how we do it, and anybody who's just coming on my channel, you're welcome. Please join the family. We are one big happy family here. I make makeup and I make hair videos and I make chit chat videos and all whatnot. So you guys join the family. And I actually started this makeup thinking I wanted to do something more subtle, because you know guys will tell you they don't like makeup, they like a more natural look, so he doesn't get scared when you show up with your full glam, you know. But then if you show up looking like this, he's going to know you put in a lot of effort. I mean, what's more flattering than knowing you did all of this for him? With this look, your Valentine is gonna be on point. Like, if you want him to pop that question, this is the look, okay? If it doesn't pop the question, don't say it's me. I'm not the cause of your problem. I'm sorry. But then let's just get right into the tutorial, guys. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be going into my LA Pride powder and taking this shade right here. I'm just placing it right here. Just very light-handed, because I'll be going in with my transition color next. The next thing that I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be going into this Juvia Masquerade mini palette, and I'm using a regular eyeshadow brush for this step. I'm going to be taking this orange, this is the shade Ada. I'm just going to be going right here with that shade, taking it inwards. You guys, can you imagine? This color here looks like, it almost looks like a brick red. You know, I always thought this was an orange. I don't know what's wrong with it. I promise you guys I'm not colorblind. I don't just know. But anyways, I wanted to do like an orange, a deep orange. I thought that was what that was, but we're still going to work it. Don't worry. So to blend out that shade right there, I'm just going to be going into my Morphe 35B palette and taking this shade right here to blend out just the hash line. So because this is looking too red, I'm just going to take a bit of yellow, because of course we know when yellow meets red we get orange. So to bring just a bit of that orange shade here. Okay, I think I'm getting a bit of the orange now, right? Thank God, finally. So to cut my crease, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in medium beige to just cut my crease. One thing I realized that a lot of people do when they're cutting their creases, they actually cut above their real crease, like right here. That's what I'm going to be doing today, because I want to give my eyes this bigger look. You know, when your eyes are bigger, they look dreamier, they look cuter. They just look like a puppy, and yeah, I want to give him puppy eyes. You know, I mean, it's Val. Are you guys seeing what I'm talking about? You guys know I'm not playing. Guys, right now I'm just gonna be taking this gold shade in my LA Pride powder palette. This shade is actually a highlighter, but let me swatch it for you guys. It's really nice and shimmery. Can you guys see it? I'll wet my brush first of all so that it can really pick up the pigments. So I'll just take this shade here and place it. This is going to be my first shade here. Taking this rose pink shade here. The next thing I'm going to be going in with is from my Juvia's Masquerade palette, and I'll be taking a mixture of this orange right here and this shade. The orange shade is called Cairo, and the other shade on top of it is called Calabar. So just putting it right here. So guys, now I want to use a dark shade of brown out here. So to give me a dark shade of brown, I'll be taking a mixture of this shade here from my Zulu palette and this shade here from my Morphe palette. Guys, I'm going to be going in with my Inglot to line my eyes. So I'll just do this eye and I'll be right back. Now that I'm done with this eye makeup, I'm going to go right into doing my face. And the first thing I'm going to be using is this Farsali Rose Gold Elixir to moisturize my face. that I'm done moisturizing, I'm going to be going in with my number 7 Beautiful Matte Primer to prime my face. So I'm just going to be going in with my Zikel Even True Foundation in this shade 030 Bronze. So now that I'm done applying foundation, I'm going to be taking a mixture of my NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator and the Nars creamy, oh my god, Nars concealer basically. In, I don't know what shade this is because it's off, I'm sorry guys. Yeah, I'm going to be using this for my highlights. Now to set my highlight, I'm just going to be going in with the Mercier setting powder. Just pushing the powder into the highlighter areas. So because I'm not going to be doing any active cream contouring, I'm just going to do reverse contouring over here. So now for contour, I'll be going back into my Early Pride palette and taking this darker shade right here to contour. Ooh! Are you guys seeing? Oh my god, this shade is super dark. Ooh! Okay, girl. See, with a shade like this, you don't even need cream contour. Ah! Oh my god. Are you guys seeing the difference between here that has been contoured and here? Oh! Look at different, like, cut it. To contour my nose, I'm going to be taking a mixture of these two shades, because when you want to contour your nose, it's always advisable for you not to go as dark as you did for, you know, your cheekbones. For my face, I'm just going to be taking a mixture of I'm just going to be taking this shade right here. I'm putting it on the rest of my face. I'm brushing off this reverse contouring we have here. The next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be blushing. I'm doing a mixture of this shade, and this is the Zikel 16 color palette. My god, something serious is happening here. So now that I'm done with blush, I'm going to be going back into this Early Pride palette and using the highlighter that is there. Guys, I just decided I'm going to go all out. So I'm going to go in with bottom lashes. Can I get an amen? Lipstick. So now for lips, I'm thinking something nude because the eyes are gonna have all the drama today. Okay guys, so I ended up using the Zikel lip stain in okay, there's no name on it. I'll find it and put it guys in the description box. So I'm going to use some gloss over this because I'm feeling like there's just something a little sultry about glossy lips. So now it's time for bottom lashes. Let's go there. Guys, just because I feel like the bottom lashes are a bit too long, I'm going to be trimming them a bit with my scissors so they look more natural. We're not trying to scare bros away. We're trying to get into possibly pop the question. Well, with this, you probably now begin to believe what his mother has told him, that you are a witch. Guys, if you want to trim your lashes, make sure you rest your elbow somewhere so that your hands can be steady. Guys, what I'm just doing right now is I'm going in with mascara to actually make my natural lashes now blend with the false lashes. I can bear your children. I can carry your baby. I can make your life beautiful. Propose to me. Oh yeah, let's do this.
Every time I come around, the Zikel ladies come around, girl. Say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweet day. Every time I come around, the sexy ladies come around, girl. They say I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, I sweet, oh day, I sweet day. Every time I come